your side up. There? Yeah.
How did that click in at the top? Oh, it hasn't yet. Oh, okay.
If we let it go, it's going to kill us.
Got you. Now, I like this system better than the old system. If you will recall, the sliding glass door section went on the outside. This way is a little bit more secure, I would think, wouldn't you? Yeah. See, somebody could have maybe jimmied the lock and then popped the door off the track. Well, in this case, Anderson did a little thinking and designed their system so that the sliding door is on the inside. And they took that little piece of trim. Now they put that up and screw it on there. And I'm taking there's a metal clad trim piece that snaps over that, huh?
This here?
Yeah.
It's just that color.
Is it?
It's
so then
fine.
Somebody has to paint it.
Yeah.
Okay. Boy, too bad they didn't figure out something to snap over that, huh?
Yeah.
A little piece of metal that was pre-finished, but they didn't.
Sometimes they pre-finish on white.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Well, because the metal clad would last longer too, I would think. I'm going to give them a C- for that. Not for the installers, but for Anderson figuring that out. They should have got something that snapped on there. There's plenty of room up there. They could have figured it out how to do that and clunk. And so it's the same metal clad, because these sides, there's wood on the back side, and then this metal is on the outside. They could have done the same thing up there. See, when they get all done with that, somebody's going to have to come back and paint that. That's going to be a trick in itself, to prime it and 2 coats of finish paint. They could have at least made that piece pre-finished white or something. Yeah, oh well. Okay, so that fits up in there. And that door is going to slide like silk. And for some reason he's taking the whole piece out again. Why are you doing that?
I'm going to put the weather stripping in between.
Oh, okay.
I just wanted it set on here because they don't pre-drill the holes.
Gotcha.
I just want to get the holes in.
Yeah. Okay, because weather stripping goes up there first. Gotcha. Okay. That way he's got a hole to fit it in so it fits the weather stripping up there nice. Because had you have not done that, the weather stripping could have held it out a little bit.
It does.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Chalk one up for the installer here.
Okay.
Now he's putting that on.
The little screws.
And I like this. He's got his tape measure on his pants here. He has not taken it off once yet. He just kind of pulls it up and does all of his measuring without taking it off his pants. Who taught you that anyways? I've never seen that. I always pull it out.
Because I always have it on me, and
You got it on a swivel then, right?
over time,
Yeah?
it's like, why do I keep taking this thing off? So I just started hooking it there.
Okay.
It's stuck ever since.
Little tip I just learned. But you got to have the little swivel thing on the back of it. Did you have to buy that separate?
No, it came
with it?
It was like a 2-pack or something.
Oh, so you can
Came with
snap it on or snap it off or leave it off. Gotcha.
Right there.
Okay, no more questions. I got to let this guy work.
Yeah.
He knows exactly where it goes because this isn't his first rodeo on this. Read your directions, you'll get her. Now they're going to put it back in again. See, lots of door systems, you slip the top in first and then swivel the bottom over. This particular one, you put the bottom in first. You have to hang on to that. Don't forget to hang on to it. It's going to fall on your head and do some damage.
Almost professional. Yep.
Okay, he's already got the pre-drilled holes up there. He knows exactly where it goes. I'm going to screw that up there now. Securing the headrail.